I've made two elevators and the rudder. Aluminium tube. I've formed this one. There's a special bit. Aluminium tube. It's got an extra bit up the middle to make it stronger to there. And on there, there was a strut when I do the fixing on there. And so the first thing I want to do is stick the fabric. So you want some of this seam cement. Okay, smelly. You drip it in and you brush this all over on the aluminium. You keep it clean first, after you give it a good old brush. You don't want to touch that bit, just around the corner. Straight along there. Don't put any on there. Right, so that's what you do. You put all that glue on it. You put the fabric like this. And you've got to stick it on. But the glue has already gone dry. So that's what you do. You get some thinner. Special sort of thinner this is, not any old stuff. You brush this on through the fabric onto the glue, right? You brush it with your fingers. Get this glue to come through the fabric. Do it all the way, but you haven't done it yet. Right. You've got too much here, so you want to cut about an inch all the way around the edge. Get rid of some of this spare stuff. And when it's all glued, turn it the other way. And it's already got the glue on this. And you roll it over. You can put a cut there and there, and you glue it onto the second side. Alright, all the way around. You roll it all over. There's one here I've done already here. That's the first side, and there's a fabric going right over. Okay, and when it's gone dry, and you've got to keep it warm here. It all goes white, horrible, no good. You've got to keep it warm. That's the point anyway. Right, got all the fabric over there. It's a bit floppy. It can be quite floppy if you want it to. So you've got this heat gun. When it's too hot, we'll make holes in it. Right, shorten it a little bit. That'll do for now. I might do a bit more. I've got the other side on it. Right, so that is the other elevator. Here is the rudder I made. Same sort of stuff. Aluminium tube. Right, anyway. Put the fabric on both sides, tautened up a little bit. Right, you've got this tape here, seconite tape, and you put some glue on. You stick it, bend it over, and you put some thinners to get the glue to come through the fabric. And you wait till that's gone a little bit hard. Leave that there, and then when it's dry, you pull it. It's quite springy, this, and when I'll show you what I can see. It goes all the way to there. It goes round the corner, and if you pull it, it will go over it. No, none of them slots or anything, and it can go all the way down here. Just a little bit of glue here and there, thinner, because the glue is already around it. So to stop it moving about, you just put a bit of thinners on and keep it tight all the way around to there. Another bit there, another bit there. So that's the tapes. Right, the last thing, some dope. Non-tautening. You don't want it tautening, otherwise it'll be too tight. Okay, nice big brush, and you work it into the fabric all the way, both sides. Work it into the fabric, otherwise it won't stick. Right, second one, another lot of dope, and when it's all dry, keep it warm. I'll have to go white again. So right, that's the elevator. Quite taut now. Seconite. It's a lighter one. It's not the heavy one. And that's it. I've got to do the other two elevators now. So I'm going to have a coffee or something, I reckon.